Hello students, here this is Rajani Raut. Welcome you all to our CMS online classes. Hope all you are safe at your home. And my advice for you is stay home, stay safe. So what we are going to learn today, right? In our previous video, we have completed some part of our story. That means bringing up curry, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss, or you are going to listen what happened next in the story. Okay, what happened next? So let's go to the topic. Okay, so where we are, that means where we have stopped, that the keeper was surprised when he saw a banana that is totally smashed up in Curry's pavilion, right? Here we have stopped. So from this we have to continue. See what happened next when that the keeper was surprised that time. The next day what happened? Next day the keeper was sitting inside his room. The keeper was sitting inside his room near to the dining room. Okay. He was just wondering about that he should take the fruits without his parents' permission. Okay. He was just wondering about, but suddenly what happened? He just saw that something in black color came out from the window and disappeared with all the bananas. So suddenly, what is the situation of the keeper, you say? See, the keeper was that time frightened. The keeper was totally frightened. He was scared that what is that, like a snake, and who took away all the bananas. He was surprised that the snakes are eating bananas. What kind of snakes then they are? Obviously, if the snake is going to eat bananas, then obviously what kind of snakes? See, he just saw. He is not sure. But still, that means this imagination was in his mind. So, see, that means what? He was just frightened. Okay. Then what happened? He just stood up. Okay, and he thought that it is a very dangerous snake. Okay, it is a very dangerous snake, and this snake is going to kill me and my families and my family members and my parents. I should run away from this place. Okay. That time his heartbeat also ran out. Okay. Obviously, that means if you saw suddenly a snake who is going to eat a banana or eat bananas, obviously you are also scared, right or not? So like this, the keeper was also so frightened, also so scared. Okay, that time he just thought that this snake is going to hamper me and my parents too. So that time he just saw, okay, that means he just came out from his room and he saw that Curry's back, he just saw, and that time he was just sure that Curry was there and I will be safe with Curry. That means he was happy to see Curry, that now he was safe. That he also followed Curry and ran after Curry. Okay. Curry was, that means going towards his pavilion. And the keeper was following Curry. So the keeper was just reached near the pavilion. He saw that Curry was eating all the bananas. Curry was that time eating the bananas. That means from that day, where was the bananas, they were thinking, and they were blaming the servants also. The all bananas Curry was eating. Okay. That means the keeper was standing in astonishment. He saw that Curry just stretched his trunk from far away where the keeper was standing and took away the bananas, okay, which he saw in the dining room, and he thought that was the snake. But actually that was not the snake, that was the trunk of the Curry. Okay. So after watching this, the keeper was just totally in the astonishment, in surprise, in shock. Okay, he was just thinking that Curry was doing, and Curry was eating all the bananas for which we are blaming the servants. Then the keeper just went to Curry and pull out him by holding his ear, and took him to his parents that to show them that I have not, that means I was not eating, or I had not eaten the bananas for which, and the servants had not taken the bananas for which you all are blaming for. Okay, it is the curry who was eating all the bananas from many weeks. Okay, he just showed him to his parents. Okay, then the keeper was just scolded Curry. Scolded Curry means, see, it is the thing that if we scold a baby elephant, then they can understand it well. So that time the keeper just scolded Curry. Then Curry understood the words. What the keeper was scolding to him. Curry just understood the words that means the keeper was saying that if you will take any fruits from the dining room, then you will be whipped. Okay. So Curry was just understood the words that he will never take any fruits, or he will never steal anything else from the dining room. Okay, this thing just was in the Curry's mind, that he is not going to steal anything. Okay, and from that day also Curry was not taking anything, stealing anything from the dining room. When that means anyone or somebody was giving any fruit to Curry, then Curry was just squealed to thank them. Curry was just squealed as thanking to them. Okay, that means Curry was just so happy if someone or anybody was giving any banana, any fruits. Okay, if they were giving, then he was just so happy and squealing. Okay, a loud noise, squealing for what? To thank them. See, the question is, that means how Curry understood these words, right? See, an elephant, it is a fact. Okay, an elephant will be punished if he has done something wrong. But if you are punishing him without any reason, then he will remember and take revenge. He will remember this thing, that without any reason you punished him, then he will take revenge. Okay, he will remember you, and one day he will take his revenge. And Curry was a baby elephant, right? Curry was a baby elephant, no? So the keeper thought that he would teach him for a good elephant. That means he will train him for some good things. So from the next day, the keeper started one or two words like Dhat and Mali. Okay, these are the words he wants to train, or he wants to make understand to the elephant, for which that means the Curry can be a good elephant when he will grown up. Okay, the keeper thought that time that an elephant should must learn when to sit, when to stand, when to walk fast, when to go fast, when to go slow. This thing an elephant should learn. So he decided to teach with some words. I said that one is Dhat and one is Mali. Then what is Dhat and what is Mali? Okay, see, if you say Dhat and pull him by his ear, then he gradually learns to sit down. That means Dhat means to sit down. Okay, and similarly, if you say Mali, okay, this means to walk. Okay, this means to walk. And if you say, that means if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, then he gradually learns, that means it is the signal of to walk. And Curry was just taught the word or the signal of Mali in 3 lessons. So that means so easily Curry just understood the word Mali, but it was so difficult to understand the word Dhat, because see, it is difficult for an elephant to sit down suddenly, okay, because they were so large, no. So that means to sit down, to make an elephant sit down, it is so difficult. So Curry was just taking too much time to learn the word Dhat. But after that, after so many lessons and so many weeks, Curry learned the word Dhat. Then the keeper decided to teach him about the master calls. Okay. See, what is master calls then? Okay. See, master call is a kind of sound. You can say that sound of hissing and howling sound. Okay. That means you can think that a snake or a tiger is fighting each other. Okay. This is the sound of hissing and howling. Okay. So the keeper decided to teach the master call. That means about this. Okay. That how to make a master call. That means how to learn the master call. These things the keeper decided to teach or train Curry. Okay. And do you know that means what an elephant will do, or what you expect from an elephant when you will give a master call? See, suppose you lost in a jungle. Okay. Suppose you lost in the jungle. Okay. And there is no way to come out from the jungle. That means you are totally lost in the jungle. You are not getting the way to come out from the jungle. Okay. And only the thing is, only what you are watching, the stars above on you. What only you are watching, that only just you can see the stars are shining above you. There is nothing, and you don't have that much of dare to do anything else. Okay. That time what you will do, the only thing is just give a master call. You just give a master call to the elephant. Then you see what happened. The elephant will come, okay, and pull down all the trees in front of you through his trunk. Okay. Pull down all the trees. Okay. And this frightens all the wild animals staying in the jungle. The monkeys who were sleeping. Okay. The monkeys who were sleeping in the trees, they also scared of it. Okay. Even the tiger is also frightening. At that moment, because at that time the elephant, what he was doing, he just pulled down all the trees. Okay. That means the jungle is going to be smashed. Okay. Then the elephant pull down all the trees one by one, next to next, one by one, and make a way to directly to the home. Okay. So this is about the master call which the keeper want to teach Curry. Okay. And almost Curry is going to learn these things. Okay. So this is all about a story of a keeper and a baby elephant, Curry. Okay. So hope all of you understood this story as well. And I must say one thing, that all the pages are on your screen. Okay. If you will go to my previous videos, all the pages are there, even this video also. So I must say that please read the story. If it is properly visible and clearly visible, then read the story. Okay, read the story properly, then you can easily understand. Because I am just telling you. So hope you just go through the pages and read it. Okay. And there is some inside homework, that means inside questions which you have to answer, and some difficult words are there which you have to practice 5 times and find out its meaning. Okay, this will be on your next screen.